Now you can open any of the 3D files from printables.com directly in PrusaSlicer. No need to download the STL file separately and then take it to PrusaSlicer. Once you go on any of the 3D designs in printables, you will see this button in front of it which says Open in PrusaSlicer. Once you click on the button, it will automatically open the PrusaSlicer and then it will start downloading the file from printables in PrusaSlicer. Here you can see that we are downloading an STL file rocket engine from printables. Once the download of the file is complete, it will automatically open in the PrusaSlicer and it will be available for further processing. Here now you can see that the file has been downloaded, but this functionality will only work after doing the following settings in PrusaSlicer. Go to the configuration, preference, go to other, and then tick mark this option which says allowed downloads from printables.com and then click OK. So this is how you can directly download the 3D designs from printables.com in PrusaSlicer. Thank you.